Imagine a world where every household is equipped with a first aid kit, a simple metal case packed with essential tools for emergencies. This isn't just a precaution. It's a lifeline. When accidents happen, having the right supplies at your fingertips can mean the difference between a minor mishap and a life-threatening situation. With items like gauze pads, burn cream, and antiseptic wipes, you can provide necessary aid before professional help arrives. This kit reduces the risk of infections, ensuring that small injuries don't escalate into something far worse. It can save lives, cut down recovery time, and prevent a severe injury from becoming a chronic problem. Each component, from the trauma pad to the nitrile gloves, is designed to empower you in moments of crisis. So, why wait? Equip your home with a first aid kit and be prepared to act when it matters most. Your family's safety is worth it.